Hello everyone, welcome to another Figma tutorial. Today I will show you how to create a button with a hover in Figma. Now this is fairly simple tutorial. As you can see, I already created a button with a hover here, as you can see. So we're going to be creating this right here. So let's scroll down here and let's create another button. So first of all, make sure to obviously have a rectangle, right? In the rectangle, you can make rectangle, go to design, you can make it whatever color you want. We're going to make this a light blue like this, and obviously you can put also text in this rectangle. So let's say button. We can make this. Let's make this. Let's make this bold, semi-bold, and let's make it Poppins if it's okay. Okay, it is. And then what we can do is we can go here, put it here. Now make this a component. So we're going to create a component. Go here, Control C, Control V to copy it. So we're basically copying the button, right? And right now here we want to change the button's color. So let's say we can change this color to a little bit like this, and we can also change it. Maybe we can change the font to medium. Let's say okay. Now we have two different buttons, right? Now what we can do is go to prototype and obviously select one and go to this one, and then left click and drag it from here like this. And then here what you will do is you will basically go and you will go here while hovering, and then open overlay, and then you will go here and click manually. And now what we can do is we can actually go here and we can play this flow. So we can play this flow. As you can see, we're going to play the flow. So just we need to load it up. As you can see, right now it's changing. This is the hover for the button. So obviously you can create a lot of different things with Figma. This is one of the ways how you can create a button with a hover. Again, it's called prototyping. So with prototyping, you can get this while hovering. Obviously in prototype, if you go here, we can change this while pressing, for example, and we can go again and play this flow in another tab right here. So let's just see, and as you can see, if we click, this will change as well. So there are a lot of ways that you can do that you can create these buttons with hovering, with clicking, with a lot of different actions. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This was a really quick tutorial on how to create a button in Figma. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.